Okay, well, welcome to our online writing class. To be able to navigate through the class, I'm going to show you a few different ways to be able to navigate and to be able to find out where to find your information about that course. So if you logged into Canvas, if you click on the left side menu, there is an icon that says Dashboard. If you click on Dashboard, it gives you the different classes that you are enrolled in. And if you will click on your 4th grade online writing class, it should bring up the home page, which is the syllabus. And this page is actually the best page to be able to help you to navigate through our course. At the top, you'll see what the title is, and then it gives you a brief description of what the class is about. And then as you scroll down, there are 9 different pictures that link to each week of our course. The first one, if you click onto it, it links you to, it should link you to our syllabus. And yeah, and it's not. So anyway, we'll just go back to this. So each all right. So each of these will link to different weeks. So this is usually just our introduction to the first week, and it will have the list of the syllabus that's listed there. And then as we go through each week, and they'll have the dates listed at the top to tell you what dates they are. Usually we'll just say like week 1, week 2. So then when we go into week 1, it would be our introduction into writing, and there's a little video that talks about what writing is and to help guide you through there. So you're able to navigate through our course. If you click back to home, if you click on home, it takes you back to this page, which is one way that you can navigate through our course. Also, if you go into modules, it also goes through our course, and you can click into each different assignment and explanation that we have there. So that is another way to navigate through our course. You can click on, if it's a discussion you need to put in there or an assignment or a quiz and stuff, you can also click on the side and navigate through there. But the best way to go through the course is to either click on the syllabus page or through modules. I recommend the syllabus page because it's easier to navigate and just guide you through each one. And each page will list you what needs to happen that week anyway. So, and it lists the quizzes or any assignments that are needed for that week when you go into that link.